Hey guys, Ethan here with Family Handyman. Say we all know that familiar thud of a huge bug splatting across our car's windshield. What many of us don't know is that a bug's organic makeup is too acidic to simply be washed off with soap and water, especially when it's been baking in the sun. With my grill full of a bunch of bugs from a recent weekend road trip, I stopped by the auto parts store and picked up a can of the Mother's Foaming Bug and Tar Remover to see how it worked. Here's how it went. Mother's Foaming Bug and Tar Spray is easy to use. Simply spray it on the soiled section of your car. Wait 30 to 45 seconds. And wipe it off. And voila! In my experience, it usually takes 2 or 3 really good scrubbings to get the caked on bugs, but I love this product. It's safe to use on all of my vehicle surfaces, including paint, chrome, vinyl, plastic, and even glass. Mother's Bug and Tar Remover is a great product. It works best right after a road trip or on a vehicle that's a little cooler and hasn't been sitting in the sun all day. All that said, its effectiveness, ease of use, and vast applications make this Bug and Tar Remover Family Handyman approved. For more great products we've tested and improved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.